Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing a 5-minute scalping strategy that utilizes the most precise indicators available on TradingView. With this strategy, you'll be able to generate flawless buy and sell signals for your trades. Make sure to watch the video until the very end to ensure you don't miss any crucial points that can greatly impact your trading success. Alright, as I said, this is a 5-minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 5 minutes. This is the price chart of GBP to US dollar, but no limitation on this, and you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's Forex, crypto, or stocks. The only requirement is in terms of the asset or market is trading volume and liquidity, because this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are very small in terms of price movement. So we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. In this strategy, we have 3 indicators for adding them. Here we click on indicators and we simply search their name. The first one that we want to add is a very powerful indicator which is built based on machine learning algorithm. This one, machine learning, Lorentzian classification, which is an editor's PX indicator, and it's written by someone named J.D. Horty. Alright. As I said, this indicator is built based on machine learning algorithm. In case if you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence which focuses on using statistical techniques to intimate the way that humans learn. So the system learns from available data and gradually improves its accuracy. And this indicator uses a special algorithm which is called Lorentzian distance classifier, alongside with another algorithm named approximate nearest neighbors, which are proved to be useful in predicting the direction of future price movements. We will use this indicator with its default settings, and we just remove the labels here in the settings and the style tab here by removing labels, because in this strategy, we don't need them and we just need these buy sell signals. The next indicator that we want to add is relative trend index. This one, which is written by someone named Zierman, if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. This is a very powerful indicator and it's going to help us to discover strong trends in the market. And the last indicator that we want to add is TTM squeeze. We add this one which is written by someone named Greeny, and we're going to use this indicator for evaluating momentum. Alright, everything is already set on the chart. And before we start the strategy, leave like and subscribe the channel for new update strategy. Alright, getting back to our scalping strategy, let me explain how you can open positions with this trading setup. As you can see, this machine learning indicator is providing us buy sell signals, but we need to filter the false signals. And for this purpose, we use these 2 indicators. When we have a buy signal, relative trend index, RTI should be above 80 and green. And at the same time here in TTM squeeze indicator, we must have green dots, which telling us that the market is not in a squeeze mode, and we must have the histogram above 0, which tells us that we have upside momentum. And this is not the case here because the RTI not be above 80 and green yet. So this buy signal is rejected. And when we have a sell signal, RTI should be below 20 and red, and in TTM squeeze, the dots should be green and the histogram should be below 0. You can see that we don't have these conditions, so this sell signal is also rejected. Here for this buy signal, RTI not above 80 and green, and we have green dot here in TTM squeeze and the histogram is above 0. That we don't have these conditions, so this buy signal is rejected. Here for this buy signal, RTI not above 80 and green, and we have green dot here in TTM squeeze and the histogram is above 0. That we don't have these conditions, so this buy signal is also rejected. Here for this buy signal, RTI is above 80 and green, and we have green dot here in TTM squeeze and the histogram is above 0. This buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop for this trade is placed below the previous selling low, and the profit order for this trade is set at the level that makes machine learning indicator regression line red. Moving on the chart here, we have a sell signal but RTI not below 20, and for this buy signal, RTI is above 80 and in TTM squeeze, the dot is green and the histogram is also above 0. So this buy signal is confirmed and we can enter another long position here as this new candle is opened, and this trade is also a short profitable trade as you can see. Here RTI not confirm green, here break even trade. Moving on the chart, we don't have any signal around here up to this point where we have a buy signal which is not confirmed by RTI. And then here we have a sell signal and, since RTI is above 50 and in TTMSQs, the dot is green and the histogram is also above 0. So reject this signal. And then here we have a buy signal and, since RTI is above 80 and in TTMSQs, the dot is green and the histogram is also above 0. So this buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. And this trade is also a successful trade, as you can see. And then last here we have a buy signal and, since RTI is above 80 and in TTMSQs, the dot is green and the histogram is also above 0. So this buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. And this trade is also a running in profit trade, as you can see. Moving on the another chart here, we got a buy signal and RTI is above 80 and but not confirmed by TTMQs. So we don't enter any long position here at this point. Moving on the chart here, we got a sell signal and RTI below 20 but not confirmed by TTMQs. So we don't enter any short position here at this point. Moving on the next signal here, we got a buy signal and RTI is above 80 and but not confirmed by TTMQs. So we don't enter any long position here at this point. Also same condition, so not confirmed. Next we got a sell signal but not confirmed by RTI and TTMSQs. So we don't enter any short position here at this point. After that, we got a buy signal here which is not confirmed. Here we got a sell signal, not confirmed. After that, this buy signal is not confirmed. And here we got sell signal and this sell signal is also not confirmed. You can clearly see that we are in a tightening consolidation period here and our strategy is perfectly rejecting these signals. Always remember, a good strategy is a strategy that is able to filter the false signals during range market. These buy signals are not confirmed up to this point. Also here we got a sell signal, not confirmed. And this buy signal not confirmed. Here sell signal, you can see that for both of them, RTI is below 20 and red, and for TTM squeeze, the dot is green and the histogram is also below 0. So in practice, we would enter a short position here at this point. Stop loss here recent high and target risk to reward ratio 1:2. Like here where we have a confirmed buy signal where RTI is above 80 and in TTM squeeze, the dot is green and the histogram is above 0. So in practice, based on this signal, we would enter a long position here. But the upside movement of the price is not enough to hit our target of 1:2 risk to reward ratio because our stop loss would be placed here above the previous swing low and this trade would finally end up in loss. So you must pay attention to this important point that this trading strategy doesn't generate 100% guaranteed signals and losing trades are part of the game and you need to manage the risk properly. We have a buy signal which is not confirmed. And for this sell signal, it's also not confirmed because the histogram is not below 0. The buy signal here is not confirmed and you can see that the market from here again went to a trading range. And during this range market, you can see that this sell signal is not confirmed, the buy signal is not confirmed. Sell signal here which is not confirmed because the histogram is above 0, there is a risk management strategy that is called 1% roll and it's a perfect choice for a scalping. And I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you won't be able to run this 5-minute scalping strategy successfully in practice. Not only for this strategy, but for any other trading strategies that you want to use, you need to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Happy trading, thank you for watching this video.